Hello friends, here we have Biesse Roxyl 4.5 edge bending machine. Now we are going to turn on this. Now to be continue, you have to press F1. It's opening the window. You have to turn on here. Push it down. Here should be nearly 6.5 or 7. This one is the button for reset. This is inverter on, and here is the button for reference, the axis. This one is the reference of axis. Now let me wait for this temperature going rise up to 190 or 200 nearly. Here is the proxy sensor. This should be on. This also should be on. Another side, and edge streaming limit switch should be pressed by this edge streaming cutter. And there is also some sensor here on. This should be green. The light of near this motor should be green. I'll show you PLC signals. Okay, now we are going to press this control voltage on. Reset. Okay. For this, we have to make a reference. It will take some time. After completion of reference, this will go. Okay, now it's come in reference. Now you can start the conveyor by pressing this inverter switch. Let me start. Okay, before to start, first we have to select the start key. We already selected a program here which on all of these parts. Now let's press the start. This for the main air.